Guys, today's the day of shoot number 3. The theme today is red. Hey guys, Derek Giovanni, Derek G Photography. I just wanted to say this is shoot number 3 and I'm like super excited. I have somebody special in studio with me and I wanted to introduce her to you.
Hi, my name is Lily Charnick and I'm 16 years old and I am so excited to be working on this shoot with him.
Yeah, I'm really excited to have you in studio. And so why don't you tell them what your Instagram or anything that you want to advertise for Instagram or anything like that.
You can follow me at Lily Charnick and that's pretty much it. I just mainly do modeling and my acting on there.
Super excited about getting some new content online. There you go, casting some nice red light there. Now we're illuminating that backdrop, so I might play with this a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to want the backdrop to be entirely red, so I might actually do some creative stuff to bring the umbrella behind the model shooting forward. It'll still cast enough red light into the room, I think, and it'll add a little bit of a red hue. Hoping the backdrop isn't as well lit as it is. I definitely want something a little bit darker than that. We'll play with that, you know, and that's fine. So, and I have this guy over here, my Amaran 150 behind 2 V flats, just trying to create a little sliver of light that's coming through and hitting the model from here.
So we started with the red dress. So this was the first look that I set up in studio where you have that little sliver of light to the right. And basically Lily was just creeping toward that white light. And we were just trying to create this element, almost like a Red Riding Hood type of effect. And I think we did a really good job. So here are a couple pictures. Actually, this is a really good demonstration of how the set looked right here. And I'm going to show you right now how the picture turned out. I love it. So a couple things going on in this picture. We have the umbrella to my left lighting Lily from behind. We also have the Govee lights on above Lily, adding more of a red hue. To the right, we have my beauty dish that has a grid and it's diffused and it's lighting Lily from the front. Now we have the Govee lights turned off. We're creating different color combinations, which is kind of cool. So it was fun bringing the stool in for these pictures here. And there's something about the red light and the red dress that just everything is red. Red is a really powerful color when it's used all by itself. The power of red. So I think these pictures turned out great. I love them. So for this set, we put the stool away and had Lily stand, and we worked on some posing techniques that I really like to do. It's all about posture. It's all about the curve, the S curve, and it's all about triangles. Check out these pictures. I think they really turned out nicely. I love them. So of course I had to bust out my clamshell light reflector in the studio. Man, I love this thing. And it's the cheap version, so here it is right here. This is the version that I bought from Amazon, nice and cheap. I keep it up in it's set up in my studio all the time because I'm pulling this thing out quite a bit when I'm doing shoots. Okay guys, this is my opportunity to shoot in landscape, okay? I gotta remember, this is a perfect setup for landscape, so I'm gonna do it. Thank you. Yeah, I need to hold myself to that resolution. I started 2 resolutions when I opened up the studio. The first resolution is that I would shoot more full body images. I tend to shoot very tight, so headshots and things like that. But the second resolution I did, when the studio opened, I decided I wanted to shoot more horizontal images. I find myself shooting a lot of portrait images. And I just want to kind of go outside of the box a little bit and expand what I do. So I'm curious to know, why don't you leave in the comments resolutions that you guys might have added this year or anytime soon with regards to photography. I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. And like I said, I'm always looking for people to come in studio and work with me so we can work on resolutions together.
Toward the, yeah, turn it that way. Yeah, right there. Hold that. It's really pretty. Good. Yeah. Nice.
Okay, another lighting change here. We have 2 lights behind Lily, lighting her from the back. And these are both just white lights. And we're shooting against that gray, red on gray.
These are stunning. Oh, yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but there's just something so regal, so elegant, and so beautiful about the color red. And when you have a model like Lily that is posing and doing all the S curves and all the triangles and really popping, it just works.
Beautiful. And for the photography community, once again, I'm shooting with the mist filter, the Tiffen, I think it's a 1/4 power. And for this particular shot right here, it's bringing in, here, let me show you, like, I'm just taking them. So it's bringing in this misty effect that,
Oh my god,
look at that.
that's gorge.
Yeah. So you get this misty effect from this mist filter. Let me just make sure. Obviously, you know, we'll get